In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix mouse and keyboard not working on your PS5 or Xbox in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. On the right, it says add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. So right now, obviously I'm on controller. As you can see, I'm on PS5 right now. So all I want to do is connect my keyboard and mouse using a wire to my PS5 console. And now I've just connected my keyboard as well to my PS5. It's asking me who is using the keyboard. So all I got to do is select the main account I want to do this with. And now as you can see, keyboard and mouse is connected at the very top. Now I'm moving my mouse. I can go ahead and use it. And now all I got to do is go over to my settings, then go over to quick settings. And then from here, I can change a lot of different things. First thing I want to do is change my aiming input device from controller to my mouse. Now I can go to keyboard and mouse settings. I can change anything here as well that I want to. So I'm going to change my DPI just from my mouse. And then I can change keybinds as well if I want to. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and just use my keyboard and mouse in game right now. As you can see, I'm in a lobby, but it's a cross-platform lobby because I am using keyboard and mouse. It's pairing me up with people that are also on PC as well. Okay, so now I just got in a game. Let's see if keyboard and mouse works. My mouse is working and my keyboard is working as well. I'm on keyboard and mouse. My sensitivity is really high right now, so I'm gonna have to just go ahead and change that, but everything else works perfectly as it should, and then I'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other Black Ops 7 videos on this channel.